In today's video, we will try to learn how to put necessary vouchers entry according to the question we posted later and how the necessary voucher entries about the cost categories and cost centers. So first of all, come with the gateway of tally, then go with create, then select ledger, then press F12 on your keyboard. Here you can see I already made show more configuration yes, show all configuration yes. If this two is not yes, then all the items can't be shown. So made it yes first. Then come here, apply cost center for ledgers here and put it yes. After putting it yes, press Ctrl A to save. You can see that is saved. Now put the name is general expenses. Press enter. It will be under indirect expenses. Press enter. Type of ledger for now not applicable. Cost center are applicable. It will be yes. Then press Ctrl A for saving the screen. Press Ctrl A. The screen is saved. Now go with gateway of tally. Then go with vouchers. Then press F5 for payment or select payment from here. I can see the payment is already selected for my screen in my screen. So I will just put the entries. So here you can see the debit is general expenses. You can see from here. So press enter to select this. Put the amount of general expenses which is 2830, which we can see in our question. That it is the total amount. So we'll select this on the debit column. You can see the cost category name of the cost center is appear. A new window of general expenses is appear. Now here notice carefully. Here you have to press P. You can see I press P and the petty cash expenses which created in our last video here shown here. So we'll select this. Then cost center, name of the cost center column is appear. Now put the all item names, like we can see all the items name like printing paper. The amount is printing papers amount is 7500. Sorry, 750. Press enter. Then the next one is postal courier. For this press spacebar, so select, you can see the list of cost center. You can select from here postal courier. The amount is 1050. Press enter. Then press spacebar again. Then select the pen, pencil and eraser. The amount is 250. Press enter. The last amount is traveling. So you can select traveling from here. The amount of 780 is automatically selected. Then press enter. Press enter. You can see the debit is already created. The debit is already all the items created. Now credit figure is come here. Here you can put the petty cash. So press enter. You can see the all items of ledger here. So you can select here from petty cash. So you can see the whole item is selected from here and the current balance is shown. We put the petty cash amount which is 7500 and we expend for general expenses that is 2830 and all the cost centers are showing here. You can see all the details from here. Press enter for accept. If you want to put a narration here. If you don't want to, just skip and press enter. Accept yes. Press enter. The the amount is already selected and the payment is completed. You can now come here. You can check it from balance sheet. The profit and loss is showing 2830 because we made general expenses of 2830. Thank you for watching.